Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have the Solo electric vehicle. This vehicle is made by Electra Meccanica. It's a three-wheeler, so it's actually classified as a motorcycle, and it's 100% electric, and it is a blast to ride, as you'll see in just a moment. The Solo comes with a lot of cool standard features like three-wheel disc brakes. It has air conditioning, it has heated mirrors, heated seats, has a stereo system, has Bluetooth, LCD digital display, power steering. It has doors on both sides. The range on it is approximately 100 miles, and it can get up to 80 miles per hour. I've taken it on the freeway, and it does fine on the freeway. It can charge with a regular 110 outlet, or if you have 220 power, if you have a Tesla or something at home, you can charge it off of that also. I'm going to show you the inside of it right now. My assistant can pop open the doors for me. It has doors on both sides, so depending on which way is easier for you to get in, you can get in on both sides. Has a little drink holder there. Looks just like your standard automobile. It's got a brake and a gas pedal. Has an adjustable seat that's also heated. Back here, I'll show you in a minute, there's some storage behind the main seat. Has adjustable mirrors. Over there is your air conditioning display. Has a visor and windshield wipers, so it's just like a regular vehicle. In the back here we have the trunk that will pop open to show you what it looks like. So this is where you can put either an overnight bag or a briefcase. Here's the charger that comes with it, and it's super easy to charge. All you do is lift up on the license plate, and there's your charger right there. So like I said, you can plug it into a 110 volt, or if you're out and about and you want to use one of the level 2 chargers that they have out there, you can use one of those also. So what we'll do is we'll show you now how what it sounds like, and take it for a little quick test ride down the parking lot. My assistant Ben's gonna hop in for me. Also has has headlamps, so it looks just like your regular standard vehicle out there. So take the parking brake off, give it a little gas, and there she goes. Available here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing. Comes standard with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, bumper to bumper, and the battery has a limited 5-year, 50,000 mile warranty on it.